Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change language on HBO Max. First, open up a episode, so click on it and watch it. Now, in order to change your language, you will have to go right here to this icon down, click on it, and change the audio to something different, whatever you like. Just change it, and when you see this check mark next to it, that means that your language has been changed. If you want to change display language, just go to Account right here and simply click on Manage Profiles. Now select the profile where you want to change your interface display language and click on this pencil icon. Now simply click on Display Language right here and you can change it to whatever you like. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.